Want to connect Messenger to Instagram? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. From here, select Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down and select Accounts. Now all the connected accounts will be shown over here. If you want to add your Instagram account, then go ahead and tap on Add Accounts option. Now you will have to enter your Instagram credentials over here. Once that is done, tap on the login option. Now follow the on-screen prompts and tap on Yes, Add Account option. Then your Instagram account will be successfully added over here and your Messenger and Instagram account will be connected. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.